Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed into the App Store and iCloud. This links Testflight to your account. Once done, open the App Store and install Testflight if it isn't already on the device. Next, locate the 16-character invite code or the public invitation link you received. Make sure it's complete. These steps get you into the right apps and ensure the invite can be redeemed without delay, so you avoid permission or account mismatches before moving forward. You now redeem the invitation in Testflight. Open the app and tap Redeem, or tap the public link you were sent. Either route works. When prompted, type the 16-character code exactly as given. Case and hyphens must match, or Testflight won't accept it. After the code is validated, accept the beta testing terms and any app permissions. This allows installation. Make sure to read permission prompts. They govern notifications, location, or camera access, so the app functions correctly once installed. Once the invite is accepted, tap Install to download the beta build and watch the progress indicator. You'll see the app icon appear when complete. If installation fails, try signing out and back into your Apple ID, restart the device, and retry. These steps clear common auth or cache issues. If you still see errors, verify the code hasn't expired and that the developer hasn't reached the tester limit, then contact the developer for a new invite. This should get you into the beta or identify the blocker.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.